there on Asian, then my life is successful. Huh? I feel like I'm gonna get rich.
Where's the for? Where's the while ago?
No, to me, I say from there on Asian, them life is successful, you know?
What we can say so?
I feel like I'm soon get rich.
What we can say so? What can say so?
Because from there on, be a progress, you know?
Yeah.
And for your progress, you know, so there's some success behind it, you see me?
Alright, that's so bad. Hello. Yep.
What was that?
What's up, guys? Yeah, we're there again for another video. You know what I mean? You have to keep the content coming, you see me? Keep consistent, you know?
How y'all doing?
Yeah, man.
Step up, Kai. Whoop, you see that? Kai, step up, going on? You were so unaware of the fact that he has to step up and step down. But in a 2 weeks time, you learn it. Like, you must step up, you must step down. Can you imagine?
Yeah. We just pull up at the Airbnb. See me? We basically, I guess, just left and things. So we prepare ourselves for more guests. See me?
Yep.
Yeah, man. Important to note, guys. Watch out now. I mean, a whole heap of content we create about the Airbnb and, you know, tips and how to, you know, get your listing up and running or whatever, guys. So to help us, right, if you're creating a new Airbnb account to host, right, just click the link, will be in the description, right? Register to become an Airbnb host using our link. Airbnb basically pay us to you know, when new hosts join the platform, you know. Yeah, man. So we just want you click that link there for you and register to become an Airbnb host.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And give us a thumbs up on all our videos that you watch. Give us a thumbs up. And if you watch more than one of our videos, more than 3 of our videos, more than 5 of our videos, tell them, yeah? Tell them.
Yeah.
You have to subscribe.
The notification bell. Alright. Yeah, man. Come, Carrie, your house too, you know. Come. Yeah. Yes. Your house too, you know.
Very apprehensive, as you can see. When he steps through the door of his house, he goes directly to what he wants.
Yeah. Alright. And me realize persons are kind of, they still not sure. I see some comments sometimes, like persons asking, you know, if we're gonna be living at the new construction and stuff like that. One more time, guys. So this house is at a separate location from where we live. You see me, I say same community but a different house. And the construction is taking place at the back here. You see me, I say? So, yeah. Different place. There'll be 2 Airbnb apartments. Yes. There'll be 2 Airbnb apartments at these premises that we don't live at. So yeah, but I make that clear one more time. Because there are persons who probably just a join with, just a come on board and they don't know the runnings, you see me? Yeah. Room. Link in the description as well if you don't want to book. If you don't know anybody traveling to Jamaica. This is our Airbnb, 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms, bathroom, you know, kitchen. AC, the works, you know?
Giving Carrie the tour?
Yeah, so the place, the decor look nice, you know? Yep. Place clean. You know, always tell us how the place clean and nice. You know, I appreciate the comments, you know? Positive comments, and we can check the reviews as well. A link will be in the description as well, and we can check the reviews. We are, you know, super hosts. Boy, watch him here. Come here, baby man, come here right now. Yep. Jaden, you say hi? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to run for the road and leave them, is it? Actually, go get some material for the project. Right, Kai? Right, Jaden?
Yes.
Yeah, man, so, the other day, visited a friend of mine doing some construction and him wall, I really love how they are rendered, you know, so I show me the sand where him get. You know what I mean? A really fine granite sand. So I'm gonna look for the place right now. Him to give me an idea where to find it, so I'm gonna look for the place. You know? You're not done, you done? You done?
Finished?
No more.
Okay.
No more. Okay, there you go. Oh.
You done? No, no. Okay, thank you.
What mean what is it you want the milk? Get up.
You're all done, eh?
Drop your phone. Ah. There you go.
Yep. So you ready for your bath? Ready for your bath, Kai?
Yeah man, so I go out, deal with that, you know? Yeah, so actually now guys, by the way, the house on the inside basically fully flash out. You get me? I say, so now at the rendering stage we reach now with that. You get me? So Everton asked me if I get the granite sand, you know, so I need like 4 yards of sand. So I forget that. So them can start the rendering thing, you know? Yep. So you gonna have a bad Kyrie? The mama strip your life on camera. Watch him a kick.
The water is fine for Kyrie, but Kyrie don't like to take off and put on him clothes. That is the worst for him.
Yeah. One fight to put on, that's something last night, you know.
Oh my
Trust
God, should
me.
have recorded it. Should have recorded you having the struggle of your life to put on one clothes for 1 year old baby. After a while, poor Kyrie was like, listen, I'm not even gonna fight you no more. You still that struggle. Like, you struggling, but
Yeah man, a literal fight man, a literal fight. Put on them.
Oh my gosh.
Kyrie always makes it a big problem.
Yeah. Alright my peeps, so I'm gonna run out now. Soon up on the road, you see it? Alright, so I'm doing at the area where I think the place there, based on the direction where the guy give me. So hopefully alright around here, so I'm gonna come around and check with the guy them. I see what them I say. You see me, I say ask and see what I go on. You see it? Yeah. We'll pull up at the spot and yeah, so them have material right here, so I'm doing a Brayton this one there guys. Brayton St. Catherine. You get me? And see some granite sand over there, so I'm gonna check it for the right one. Right? I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on. How much are you they sell the granite sand for?
We have 4 and 3, 2 different types.
The one, the river one, the one where have them shiny thing there night.
4,000 a yard.
4,000 a yard for that one there. I eat this right here, so. Alright, I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, my peeps, see it, I eat this. This is it. I don't know if you can catch it in the video, but it's very shiny. It have like almost like glass in it. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy. So I'm gonna buy 4 yards of it. See it, I eat this right here. So I'm gonna buy 4 yards. See it, 4 yards at 4,000 a yard at 16,000. I'm gonna call a truck man to make him bring it for me, you know. So yeah, this is it. Eat this. You're on the sun, yeah? Eat that.
Yeah, man, the finest granite is on.
Yeah. Come on.
Never do. Yeah? Everything we are making get there. Can you see my vlog?
Yeah. Yeah, well, my throat in I sat there, I do.
Say, go
Like
on.
the hot boy.
Yeah, man, we have to talk about nothing. Work and enjoy ourselves, you know.
How you mean? Yeah, man.
One life, we have to live and enjoy.
Straight up.
Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, respect.
Keep on the way you do, you know, yeah?
Yeah, I see a word, man.
Only for people, yeah, open them eyes, only for things, keep on doing it.
Alright, the general.
Big up.
Respect, yeah. Alright, so sand this. You get me? It's very fine. and it blow. It blow all over the place and spread, and so what the man them advise if you do is just wet it, you see me? You just wet it to keep it from blow and thing, you know? Yep, so flashing up. I go on. I just in here so ever put on in concrete. So I'm gonna flash this ceiling today, you know. Flash a ceiling today, you know. Yeah, in here so we're not gonna do nothing to this ceiling because we want to put the sheetrock out here so it can leave like this. So we're just gonna render the wall go all the way up to the line of the ceiling. Yeah. In here so flash already. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna wet it right now. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna wet the sun because the sun is messy. The one thing about the sun is the grains are very fine, so I have to start that out right away, you know? We don't want the sun blowing at the neighbor house. So you see, we just go and wet it, you know, and then we go cover it down with the tarpaulin. Yeah, man, so secure the material. Why? Camera all full of sun. But yeah, see there? So at least the sun now go blow all over the place. As I say, the sun is the grains are very small compared to other granite sun. So I have to secure it. Wet it and cover it. Actually, I experienced a little bit of car problem. So you know, we call up OnDiGo Auto. You see me? So them come right on spot OnDiGo Auto. Change my shocks. I'm gonna buy some new shocks for my car, you know? But the shocks are no good. So I just brought the bank, guys. Whole heap of money worth of shocks. Yeah, man, see them here? Whole heap of money this. Rich me rich. Yeah, man, so Alex come out from OnDiGo Auto, you know, come do a quick replacement, you know? Yeah, man, so anyhow, no one get in this, any car, what will you work for, Alex?
Work on gas vehicle, hybrid vehicle,
yeah,
electric vehicle, parts change,
yeah,
battery service, headlight restoration,
yeah,
roof change or restoration. That's the headliner over the head. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So OnDiGo Auto, very professional. You know what I mean? You carry him tools, jack it up right here. You know, so I'm gonna change the shocks them for me right now. OnDiGo Auto, guys. Can definitely check them link. You know, contact in the description, guys. You see me? I say?
Awesome.
Yeah, man. So just hit them up if you having a car problem. You know, at them time and like COVID time, COVID still a keep.
Free delivery of service. We don't charge for come to you and do repairs. We work in Kingston, Mandeville, Portmore.
Yeah.
We don't work in violence prone areas.
Aye. Yep. Rendering started now. Let's see.
Wait, help me up. Help me up. Like, this is what I'm gonna have to do.
Alright, cool.
Trying to wonder if this is even a good idea. Turn up on this.
Yeah. Come down. Up there.
This guy holds so much weight there. I'm saying that.
Yeah, take all more.
Can I take all more? What? Yeah.
Rendering look nice.
It does look nice. I see what Asian was saying before.
The type of sun. Yeah, man.
You know, Mr. Everton, normally you see even when it render, normally you see
float.
more them something here. it's more like it's smooth, I know, but you still see some little line like this, you know.
Well, I spent time on stone.
I like it.
Nice one.
I like it.
Then imagine when you paint and you use the sandpaper. You probably don't need no sandpaper. You see? It's clean, one. It's clean. Yeah. You want a big up Tony, you know? Big up Tony. I'm going to Tony place and see it. And when I say, young Tony, John, no. And when you get that sun here, you might tell me. And I say, alright.
Yeah, really like he actually carried me on top of him, carried me on top of them on the roof.
I show her the wall.
Go show me the wall.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And it didn't good, it didn't with you. The sun kind of have some little sparkly stuff in it.
Yeah.
So whatever them do with it, it's really fine and it's really refined. Really refined.
Because to how things looking right now, we probably don't even put on a short coat.
Okay.
You see what I say?
That's the white thing on the paint.
Yeah, like the plaster thing where them put on it. Yeah. Probably never need that. Well, you know, look like we're gonna need that definitely because, you know? Yeah, that look good, man. That look good.
This is like the first room to be rendered. Yeah.
That good look, man. Good look. You've seen the bathroom too, the bathroom roof. You closed it a while ago.
You do a while ago too?
Alright, you hold the camera and go down before you.
Yeah. Make sure I
Yeah.
got the dance on that. I got the dance in was that grown yet?
Lord God.
So make sure it's properly.
Alright, cool.
I'm in your hands, bro.
Give me the camera. You give me camera.
We trust him.
Give me camera.
Half a step on the block, sorry. But right here tonight.
I'm gonna stop this.
So guys, I see what he's talking about now. So you see him float it.
Yeah.
Him float it already.
You see them little wave thing there?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back and sponge it.
Yeah, sponge it.
So make it get smooth like this. Yeah.
So Mr. Everton, I'm going to teach Corey them because chicks are the trade there. Corey?
Yeah. Come here, Corey.
Corey, now I learn how to flash and float and sponge. Eh?
Yes, we was talking about the way we can force it in the water.
You force donkey to go away, but you can't force it to drink. And right now, pour there well, you know. And the well in there, you know. Yo, the well in there, man.
Ever know say I'm a Sue Master?
Sue Master. Watch him. Watch your boy. Watch him.
Ever know Sue Master?
How you so? Have it lucky?
But the part there is a difficult part, so I'm not really practice that part.
Just practice the difficult part more, man. Can you not say difficult?
The part they will drop out I see for people living there.
That's all that one say cement and drop out I see.
Say now you drop out, you will drop out, you take up and drop out. You think I do?
A good look.
Sponginess.
Something like this is where it's going on before. Right, like Mr. Everton? If you tell me money pack, something like this, you're only prepare 1 month and 2 weeks. That's alright, not true? And can't pay your rent. That's alright, not true?
You just know say you see it.
Yeah. And after you this time, you have to go live. But if you don't say you go a party, and put out the your rent money, and you're hungry for the month. Jesus!
Jaja.
That's not true.
We just show them.
This classroom should be like the other artist part of this.
The flashing?
Yeah.
Flashing move more fast on the flashing.
Awesome, man.
Because I mean it's up in the ceiling, so you can imagine a flash concrete up in the ceiling.
The cement.
Cement.
The flashing more easier than the granted, man.
Oh. And then it's very easy.
You know, some people they say they render one and they left it so. The one they don't render so you let it so it look.
Yeah.
Literally, you know?
Yeah.
Unless I want this one.
Hey, sometimes some people render wall and done, you know, man. Wall and painting rough and that, like that crab you up, you know? Rough, you know? Oh, yeah, I say, man. Literally see transformation from numbness up come to right here, so
Sponge is like a magical thing, you know?
Yeah.
Like an eraser to erase all lines.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, Jesus.
Be careful. Careful.
Yeah. Smooth, you know? Just a little bit of rubbing into that warm full paint. Nothing great. Not much.
Shape up eye, man.
Yeah. Left side, I see Mr. Damascus. Ah, let me come down. Yep. Rendering that one, yeah? Yep. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Now, say, if you know, say last year Jamaica had the #1 stock market.
#1 performance stock market, yeah.
In our world.
Yeah.
Not in our Caribbean. World.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
That was big news, for sure.
It was.
Much as I not invest, I kind of like watch them something, you know.
You can start, you know, invest. You know, invest 100,000 one time, you know.
No, I know you can spend $15, $20.
Yeah.
I just use for buy enough shares.
Little at a time, like every month you put on $5,000 in it.
And if you have a business account to start with though.
Say that again?
You have to have a business account to start with. That's why I may not do it yet.
No man, in Jamaica man, just open an account.
Yeah, I will do it, But I say too, I not have the account yet. That's why I started.
There's no one in place, the SSL Limited or JMMB, NCB. Only for company do they invest in, you know, you can check them and buy some stocks, man. You know, so since he man do there, he render the bathroom, it look clean, you know. While they look neat. You know, man. Yeah.
Man say, him interested but him not understand, so him not trouble it.
Say that again, when you say you have a friend that what? When you say though?
Him have a business account.
Yes.
So him could have start buy stocks and trade, but him say him interested but him don't know anything about it. So him not trouble it.
Oh. But you know, so you have brokers out there where them if you want to do it aggressive, they can help. If you want to do it, just put down your money like a saving account with a big interest, you can do it that way there too. So you really don't really have to know not much about it.
And some people swear say you have to have money, like no money.
No. Just a little amount time, man, like a saving, but it's better because when you put on your $5 grand in your account every month, you know, you get back almost the same $5 grand, you know.
Exactly.
But when you buy some stocks and put that down,
Yep.
in a few years your money double and triple. You know?
Yep. Yep.
Definitely.
Learn that says savings account are worst account, you know.
Definitely.
Savings account only make the bank owner richer. Because once you put your money in a bank, your money turn digital.
Yeah.
It's no longer physical. So if everybody in a Jamaica in a same bank and we check with something, you have to see how much money you have, you know.
Yeah.
But make you all away go up the full money same
One time, problem.
No, they forgive you all away.
Oh my God.
Because them a make your money work for them.
Yeah, they invest it in a real estate.
Whatever they want to do.
In right? They into the money invested in a real estate.
That's one of the biggest things that they do, people.
Yeah.
And give you 0.something.
Yeah.
Whatever, interest.
And take the big bulk kite for themselves. Uno too selfish. Share the money.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright.
So the place are come on.
Yeah.
The rendering almost complete. Rendering almost done.
Yeah, washroom.
You see it.
Everything right here.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
The back wall of the kitchen here, so. Almost finished.
Yeah.
See, the back wall of the kitchen finished. The passage done too.
Yeah, I just here to leave and the living room. I just right here to leave.
Right, yeah. Yeah man, thing will come on.
It's coming. Yeah.
Hey.
Yo, Friday, I 12 o'clock, my book, you know.
You put in the emails? You put in the emails?
Yeah, them send me a message. Yes, my guys, make everything you report for me want it, I swear. Stop collect money.
Alright, Eva.
True what? Cash. I'm making sure. I'm not for jive, I'm not money. Just do it.
Eva, so, I see you measure what? 33 you measure?
And quarter.
33 and quarter.
Yeah.
So, when the door jam them put in, the door width will be how much?
30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Just in my chop, youth.
Yeah, this bathroom there are 30, it'll be 30 width.
Yeah. From there on in, John, then my life is successful. Huh? I feel like I'm gonna get rich.
Where's the for? Where's the while ago?
No, to me, I say from there on age and them life is successful, you know.
What we can say so?
I feel like I soon get rich.
What we can say so? What we can say so?
Because from there on be a progress, you know.
Yeah?
And for your progress, you know, so there's some success behind it, you see me?
Alright, that's so
Through
bad.
success, there's blessings.
Yeah, we're glad we can inspire and
Yeah.
you know, motivate, you see
Two
it.
people I open a follow and subscribe and I always have a see Korea. Open me get richer. And I see me and agent together same way.
Yeah.
And I know say me come from the trade work and it was a very hard journey but we keep on go forward because we have people are back away for push it forward. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so you so like this doorway here now, how much? That one here, how much?
35 and quarter.
35 and quarter, you set it to. Then the brother will bring it down to what? 32?
Yeah, 32.
That come down to 32.
Yeah, do have it 32.
Okay. Alright, so you measure. So I'm showing you exactly what him do.
Alright, then wall here.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure say the wall here plumb.
Uh-huh.
You can break the door here for this wall.
Yes.
Yeah, make sure the wall plumb.
Straight,
You
yeah.
understand? Because if not plumb,
Yeah.
you have problem putting the door.
You see the bubble right in the middle?
Yeah, in the
That
middle.
means that the wall straight.
Plumb.
Plumb, right.
Yeah.
So even though you make the wall, you still have to check it.
Yeah, I have to check it down. So any mistake today, you can able to work on it.
Yes.
Oh, this one. Hold on. Are you something else? Hold on. No, I went to the dryer now. Yeah, because the washing machine or something.
Okay.
Yeah, the dryer. Yeah, man, the dryer.
Okay.
Washing machine. Because it's a washroom.
Mm-hmm.
And a bathroom. Washing machine can pass through.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, man, so dress up the door jam them now, you know? Me say work come to an end now, you know? You see it? Yeah, man. Me say work draw down to a close now. You know, every time the fans them will ask for your number, you know? You see it? You know, because they want to know where to find it, you see me I say?
Same time as I'm fine.
What your phone number go?
385 9946.
What is it? 385 9946. 876 area code, you know? Yep. Is it? A good trade man. I highly recommend him, you know? Come on. Alright, my peeps, so. Yeah, man. See, the wall them for the most part don't render and thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, just the wall, the big wall up on the side I need to deal with.
Send money to 10 yen. Hey, man, where you your money to?
No, man, me work
Where you your money to?
No, I'm not a friend.
Send it yen.
I don't have friends, brother. I work my own. I don't
You
have
see me and friend them a chop like we are messy.
alright.
My corner easy to blow.
Keep your own, work for my own.
Messy. Hey guys, you have me up here early in the morning, yeah? So, the conclusion to our previous video that we did is this was our entertainment center, slash wall, accent wall, previously in our minds, but we've changed from that, and the conclusion is this wall will now be our entertainment. This is going to be your entertainment wall over here. So the TV will be on this wall. TV over there right here, so. And we're going to have shelving right here. So we are slightly changing the idea, but we're going to tell you that later. But we're going to have this being our entertainment wall. And
Of course, the door and the window will move.
Yeah.
It'll be one solid wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So imagine with us, alright? The window will be gone, the door will be gone, it'll be just concrete.
Look on a little boy, yeah. Boys will be boys, you know. Look where you do.
Guys, I find this outside.
Oh, getting a sample, you know, man.
Where you find a shell?
Yeah.
You know,
So.
you tell the shell quiet? That is not Jaden. Jaden come like a rattle.
Yeah, so this will be entertainment wall, guys. Alright. Yeah. Basically, in the comments, you know, we really come with some good ideas.
Yeah, that is true.
You know?
Y'all come through in the comments.
Yeah, man, rate the idea of them. Even when it come on to, you know, when I say, put the kitchen over this corner,
Yes.
that was really a good idea. But guess what? Our problem with that, we already started the electrical and the plumbing work. You get me? So, we wouldn't have been able
Stacey over here
Not being able to do that, you know.
would have had to make more major changes to our plans. Like we already had the plumber putting in plumbing work.
This is the kitchen, guys. So the electrical work put in, the plumbing put in. If we put a tap on this now, we get water right as well, you know. So plumbing put in, the sink will be right here. This is the sink area. The stove will go over here, so and things. So basically, we couldn't switch on the kitchen because of that.
We could, but it would cost us a lot more money. That we are deciding that we are not going to do that. We're just going to change the wall.
Yeah, because to be honest, we just should have considered about the living area, how we arrange the living area. We never think about rearrange the kitchen. And the living area with their focus part.
True.
Yeah, but thanks for the suggestions. Our really good design idea that.
Yes,
you know?
we like it.
Yeah, man. So.
And if we had done this video like this, like say like a few weeks before, we would have still, you know, had a little bit of adjustment to do, but it would have been so good if we had gotten this idea before started doing this drilling and stuff. That's a really good idea.
Yeah, man. So by the way, you can see that the walls are rendered for the most part, right? Wall them rendered, doorway, window ways. You get me? I say I just that one little water right here, so want to deal with it. Up top here.
Our accent wall is changed. You notice that the last time you were here, we had the three things. So it was two of these down here, so one tall one.
Yeah.
That kind of was adjusted a little bit.
Mm.
Probably going to put it over that side instead.
Yeah. Alright, so this is our rendered wall. I just rub. Last time I come and I rub one stone on it to kind of rub off the a little bit of the surface grain. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, it feels nice.
It feels nice, yeah. Yeah. It's really nice. It's so smooth, you know? Right, Jay?
But this part not so.
Yeah, when I rub the whole eye, I just do a little thing. It's nice, man. So it's really smooth, guys. You know, like the rendering and things. So the Mason, Everton and the sun. Everton and the second too, because two of them are render and the sun of course do it justice. So the walls them are gonna nice. Yeah. The walls are definitely gonna be nice. You know, so yeah man guys, so this is it in our latest episode. You know what I mean? Oh, hold on there, one more thing, look there. So we'll buy 60 more bags of cement again. Yeah. Remember at the last video that a couple videos ago we buy 80 bags of cement and that only flash the wall them and render for the most part. We never finish. Outside no flash yet.
I was so shocked at the fact that 80 bags of cement couldn't have finished everything. So
we buy 60 more. This supposed to finish the flashing panel outside and do the floors.
I can't wait for the floor to be done.
I don't even want to show the floor too much. It's still bad, but them all deal with it this week. The floor will look more like this. You see them clear with the side there, so the floor will look like over here, so and then them cast it, and then it will go pretty.
Can't wait for that to be done. Right now the place does, even though the walls are coming together, the place still does look very unkept and
Yeah. I want to clean for that week, yeah man. So anyway, you know.
So guys, remember to subscribe. Jaden, come tell them to subscribe. Come tell them to subscribe, Jaden.
Yeah man.
Subscribe, like and comment and share, and if you don't, I will come for you.
You don't come for them? Oh my word, that's a threat. Alright. Yeah man.
So guys, remember to turn on your post notification bell.
Yeah man. Yeah man, straight up.
Your support over here, Discord.
Yup.
See ya.
Yeah man, we out guys. Peace. Yup.